Guys, this is your girl Renee, and guess what today is? Today is Harvest Day. So when you see this pink basket and my shears, we are on a mission. We are going to go get some vegetables today. So let's go get our harvest. Are you ready? All right, let's see what we're going to find first. Let's go after these eggplants. Remember that big old eggplant that I said back in the corner back here? Let's see what we can find. Let's pull that back. Let's see if we can get this eggplant. Get my shears. And let's see if we can cut it. I'm gonna cut it right here. Off it comes. Let's see if we can find any more that we can take. Let's see, I think this one right here maybe a good candidate. Oh no, there's one back there. Let's get this one. That's two. And we got one more big mamma jamma back here. See this one? Let's get that one too. Alright. Let's pick up our harvest. Got two good ones. Let that plant go back so it can produce some more. And look what we have. We have this good one and this one. So let's add that to our basket. Let's check out some of these tomatoes. Let's see. I think I can see some. Let's spin it around. Yep, there's one right there. We're gonna get that one. I'm gonna get these two right here. And this one's my injured plant. I have to tell you about that one in another video. Alright, so we got that one. Let's see what else we can find. Let's go see if the cucumbers have anything. Remember what I always said? We find all the goodness in the back of our cucumber plant. Ooh, there's a nice one right there. Let's see if we can get that one. Let's see. Put the basket under there so it can catch it. Now let's snip it off. Perfect landing. I think we have another one right here. Let's see. I can get that one. Let's see, this one's a good one too. Alright, let's get the shears. Let's get this one. Perfect landing. So let's get that one in our basket. Look how good our haul is so far. Do we have any more on this one? Ooh, yeah, we got this one right here. Let's grab that one too. Let's put our basket in position and let's go get it. See if it lands in our basket. Whoa. I think that one is gonna be a good one. See if I can get it off of there. This one's gonna be a struggle. Let's see. Here we go. Got that one. Got one more cucumber plant. Let's go see if we can find that one. This one is just waiting for us. It's just sitting down on top of the ground for us. This one's a good size one. Let's get that one too. Come on, cucumber. You've been growing for us for a while. Let's get that one. Do we have any more? Let's check it out. I say we have a lot more growing. Let's see. Let's look. Look under every leaf. There's a little one back there. See that one? think that one, we'll let that one grow a little bit more. Ooh, here's one right here. This is a good one right here. Look at that one. That one is saying, pick me next, Renee. Pick me next. All right, you got your wish. You're going to get picked next. Let's get it so we can cut it. Perfect. Let's retrieve that one. Perfect. All right, let's go see if we can find us some beans. So far, look at our haul. We are doing good. Let's see. Let's check out our cabbage. Cabbage is getting there. It's not quite there yet. Let's see. Let's go down here and see if we can do some beans. So I know I have some beans. This bean plant has been growing for a while. Let's look around. See if we can find any beans. Ooh, there's a bean right here. Let's get this one. You see this one? Take that one off. Add it to our basket. Let's keep looking. This bean plant has a lot to look through. Oh, here's one down here. See this bean right here? Take that one. Thank you. Woo, I see some on the corner. Now the tricky part is getting over there. So let's see. You see him over there? So I'm going to grab that one. I'm going to get this one. You see this one? Got that one. Oh, here's one hiding. See this one right here? This one. These are yellow wax beans. Good ones. Let's see what else we can find. Any more beans hiding? We gotta look. I don't see any more over here. Alright. I think we should go on the other side of my other vegetable garden and see what we can find over there. Let's go take a look. Let's look at our okra and see how they're progressing. Any okra? No, but they're growing. All right, let's keep going. Let's check on our cabbage as we go. This cabbage is doing good. Any beans on this plant? I don't see any. These are still growing. I see lots of flowers. These beans are still growing. And my potatoes are doing. Let's look at this bean plant and see what we can find in here. See, tomatoes are growing. Any beans? Let's look. This was the first plant I planted, so this one should be the one that's producing the most beans. And these are supposed to be, oh, maybe we'll get lucky. I see one right here. See this one? We'll just take that one. And I see, thought I saw another one. Oh yeah, in here. See this one? It's a good size one. Take that one. Let's see. Gotta look deep in this one, because these ones are sneaky beans. Whoop, I see one here. See if I can get it though. But you know what? Renee is going to get this bean. Look at the size of this one. This one's a good one. We'll take that one. All right, let's go around the side. Let's see if we have any bell peppers that are ready. Let me see. This one's still small. We have any peppers? Nope. Keep looking. I see lots of flowers. Oh, I think we missed the pepper. Let's see. Yes, down below. See, look at this one. That's a good one. Let's see, do we have any more? Ooh, but they're growing though. Look at the size of them. Isn't that nice? We'll keep an eye on that one. Let's go look and see if we can find any more. Let's look at this plant. This is the one that was producing the most. There's fruit on there. It's just too small. Let's go look around the corner. See if we have any squash or zucchini. My watermelon plant is doing really well. All right, let's look in this squash. Look at the leaves of these things, are huge. Oh, wow. Look, we got a squash in here. Let's see. See it? My clippers. So we can clip it out of here. Let's see. Let's see if we can get that one. Look at the size of that one. That's a good squash. Let's see if there's any more in here. Tomatoes. But I see some baby squash though. Let's go look at see if we have any zucchini. Isn't it amazing how beautiful these squash leaves are? Let's look in here. Let's see. The little ones, no. Let's see if we have any zucchini. Let's look in here. Look how big this plant is. This plant is massive. Okay, zucchini. Oh my God. I think there's a big one down here. Let's see. I think this one is huge. We can move some stuff around. Get to it. Holy moly. Look at the size of this zucchini. Good grief. Let's see if there's any more. No, but there's a bunch of flowers though. Awesome. All right, let's go and see what our harvest is. So far, it was a good harvest. Look at that. We did good. We should be proud of ourselves. Check it out. Good harvest. Good vegetables that are going to be healthy. And I am going to make a casserole out of these vegetables. I am so excited. So let's go to the table and let's check out what we got today. All right, are you ready? Here we go. First, let's look at our beautiful harvest. See if we can go over here. Maybe the sun won't be so bad. Better. So we got a zucchini. Holy moly. This zucchini is so big. So we got a zucchini. We were able to get a nice squash. We got some wax beans. Yes. We got some good healthy cucumbers. We got a Sorrento pepper. I've never grown these before, so I don't know what to expect, if it's going to be hot, mild, or just burn your tongue off. And we have our eggplant, nice and hard and firm, just like I like them. And we were able to get 3 of those. 3. Amazing. I'm so proud. And then, of course, we got a couple of our regular green beans. Our little snap beans. Mo, can't wait to saute those up too. So, and don't forget, we got us some more tomatoes, little cherry tomatoes. So I don't think we did so bad. I'm telling you, all the hard work that we put in to make our vegetables grow, to give us to grow healthy foods that we can eat, to put in our bodies, versus getting those store-bought vegetables that have been sprayed with all kinds of pesticides and stuff. I think we did good. All right, you guys, get on out there, harvest it up, and then send me a video so I can see exactly what you're harvesting in your garden. All right, if you want more videos just like this one, tell me about it. Let me know, saying, hey, Renee, we want more videos like that. If you haven't already subscribed to me, go ahead and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up for this video. And also, don't forget what? Hit that notification bell so you'll know when my next video is coming your way. All right, guys, I'm going in the house. I'm going to cut these things up, wash them up, saute them Cajun style, and I will come back and let you see what it looks like. All right, guys, have a wonderful day, and thanks for going on my first or second harvest of my vegetables. All right, take care. Bye-bye.